patience. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. When you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you off. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want. Oh, what it got this, put it in the song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want. Oh, what it got this, put it in the song, alright.
Only one choice now, just to let us be. 'Cause I treasure the way you calm me down, how you set me free when I thought it was impossible. 'Cause I'm full of the focus before, but you're different, you're good to the bone. It compels me to bet on my soul. I wanna be the one. I wanna be the one. I wanna be the one. I wanna be the one.
Yeah.
No voice, no voice, just to let us be. 'Cause I treasure the way you calm, how you set me free when I thought it was impossible. 'Cause I'm full of the focus before, but you're different, you're good to the bone. It compels me to bet on my soul.